Hi everyone, welcome to this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn the 10 most important English sentences. These sentences are used every day. They are easy and very useful. Let's start now. Sentence number 1. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Now, sentence number 2. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Let's look at sentence number 3. What is your name? What is your name? Next, sentence number 4. My name is WALEED. My name is WALEED. Sentence number 5. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Sentence number 6. Listen carefully. Where are you from? Where are you from? Sentence number 7. I'm from Algeria. I'm from Algeria. Sentence number 8. Please. Please. Sentence number 9. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now, the last sentence. Sentence number 10. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments. Use what you learned today. Don't worry about mistakes, practice makes you better. See you in the next video.